Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. This is Mad Props at RC and FPV. Thank you for tuning in. I have several awesome videos in the pipeline to be released over the next few days. But this video is my 600 subscriber celebration and giveaway winner announcement video, as you guys seen from the title. So I finally hit 600 subs thanks to all the love and support from you guys. So to celebrate, I'm going to use the random comment generator on the giveaway video where I told you guys to comment for a chance to win. We will be giving away this mint plant in an animal pot. So let's use the random comment generator on the entry video and find out who the winner is going to be. If your name is picked and you see your name in the description of this video, I will need you to contact me through Facebook and give me your address so I can get this little mint plant in an animal pot sent out to you. My name on Facebook is Kenny Hale, so if you are the winner, please get a hold of me on Facebook so I can get your address and send the prize out to you free of charge. If I do not hear from the winner within 1 week, I will remove this video and redo it and pick a new winner. I plan to do lots more giveaways in the future and plan to give something away for every new 100 subscribers I get. So I will do another one at 700 subs, 800 subs, 900 subs, and then when I get to 1,000 subs, I will be giving away a vintage Tamiya Super Champ RC car that is old and collectible, but does need some minor restoration work. This is just the beginning, and I plan to do much bigger and better giveaways in the future, such as custom built RC trucks and drones. If you guys want to take part in the giveaways and have a chance to win cool items, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to stay notified when I upload. Then when I publish a giveaway entry video, just watch the video to see what I'm giving away and then comment on that video, and that's it. You will be entered and have a chance to win once I reach the next achievement. The bigger the channel gets, the bigger and better the prizes will get. So without too much rambling, let's get to the random comment generator with the last entry video comments all ready to go and see who is going to win. Here we go, guys. Let's pick a winner for this prize. So, as you guys seen, one of my family members' comment was picked first. But they said in the comment that they was just saying hi and didn't want to participate in the giveaway. So we used the random comment generator again to pick a different winner. And that winner is Dr. Doug Drones On. So, Mr. Doug, please contact me through Facebook as I stated earlier so I can get your address and send you your prize. This little plant pot right here is what I'm giving away. I'll send it to him free of charge. I just need him to get a hold of me. As I said earlier, my name on Facebook is Kenny Hale, and I'll be waiting to hear from you. Alright guys, that's going to do it, and we'll conclude this giveaway video. Thanks to everyone supporting this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned because I have some great drone and RC videos I will be dropping later today and the rest of the week. Later guys. Love you. See you in the next video.